There is something magical about using variables in design. On this Botsociety tip, I would like to show you how you can map variables and entities directly on your design file on Botsociety. Before I show you how, let me just introduce you to important things. First, you can use variable to specify a keyword or a known value to your NLU engine. NLU stands for Natural Language Understanding. Usually, we call these entities as well. And second, on Botsociety, you can also use variables to store any piece of information and use them dynamically on your design, and also you can export those on the build mode. And one last thing, many things that you can do on Botsociety, these can be reused on your export and also on the builder platform of your NLU engine or something like that. So use this carefully because it can speed up your creativity and also the handoff to your engineer as well. So how can you map variables and entities on Botsociety? So I have here a really small design file, which is a conversation between a bot and a user. Just the bot asking like, what is your name? My name is Kyle. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. What is the official language there? We speak Brazilian Portuguese. So you see, this is a really simple, direct, and straight conversation where the user might say something different. For example, if I was in the USA, my name would be like Kyle with the K and Y. I can say like I'm from United States, and also there we can say that we speak American English or USA English or something like that. So these information, Kyle, Brazil, Brazilian Portuguese, these are dynamic information because, as I said, depending on the user, these information might change. So my design can adapt to that scenario as well. To do that, I just need to change to the build mode. And here, I'm going to be able to select and map the variables of my design. So to select one variable, I just need to highlight and press Shift. So Botsociety is going to pop up this message where you can search and add variables on your design. So this, for example, it's a variable that is related to the first name. Now I have a second variable that I would like to map to my design. For example, from Brazil. Brazil is the name of the country. So I can just highlight those. And then here I can say, this is the country. And also here on the bottom, I can say that Brazilian Portuguese is going to be another variable that I'm going to call the language. And yeah, so easily I just mapped 3 variables. If I'd like to add new values to these variables, I can just come here, again, to the build mode on this left side panel. And here, if I mouse over to these variables names, as you can see here, first name, country, and also language, it's going to have this engine icon or this gear icon that I can just click. And once I click on that, I can add new values to that particular variables. So I can say like Spanish, for example, or English, or Mandarin, or any other language that I can think of it. I'm just adding new values to this variable. And the same process I can add to the other ones. I can say like, for example, Brazil, Mexico, Italy, United States, and etc. And the same goes to the name, right? I can just go there and type new names. My name in English would be like Kyle, I guess. There is also Vittorio, which is the Botsociety's CEO. I don't know, Barbara, which is also a Brazilian name. And yeah, I think this is it. Once you map all the variables on your design, these are going to be also available to your design once you export those. So you can adjust this to the Botsociety cloud, to the dialog flow, and even to the Rasa export. Just pay attention that if you're going to work with Rasa, once you add these new values to your variable, you're going to have this option here, map to value. This is going to be helpful for your Rasa engine if you're using Rasa. And yeah, I think this is it for this Botsociety tip. I hope you can use this on your next conversation designs, and I hope to see you in another Botsociety tip. So bye bye.